And we've moved on from Spelga. We've moved on to the Silent Valley. There's a lot of walking trails you can go on here. Reservoir Trail, Heritage Trail, Ben Crum, Challenge Trail. Big notice board. You can't hardly read that. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Is that supposed to be art?
For the workers.
And this is an original Watertown house. Temporary settlement which was constructed in 1923 to accommodate approximately 1/3 of the 600 to 700 of the workers who are building Silent Valley Dam. And it was moved here to show people coming to the Silent Valley what the accommodation was like. I'm going to do that. Oh.
Oh yes, I know.
There's an old handmade quilt and various artifacts that they would have had. Pretty basic. And there's your washing facilities.
Yes, it was a bit rough.
We had all those.
Yes, for
We
me.
had our others there and I don't know where they ever went. That's for doing the butter.
There's your bread bin.
This is amazing.
There's all the for doing the butter.
Turf cutting, yes. Turf cutting spades.
Yeah. That's I'll tell you what you were doing.
I did do
I
it.
don't believe it.
I got there. And then on the top.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Whereabouts would that have been done? Where are you living now? Scarva.
Restraver.
Oh, Restraver. How are you up from Restraver?
And top of the mountain.
Right. And Clockmore.
No, not that, but no, all night past
Up the
that.
Kilbrony Road, the Hilltown Road.
Right.
Where are you from?
Oh,
Belfast.
I'm originally Banbridge, but
Oh, yeah.
years ago. But we're down at Gilnahirk in Belfast now.
Alright, what part of Banbridge are you?
I was in Castlewellan Road, just coming out of the town.
Big accident there, wasn't there?
There's been 2 or 3 accidents on that road.
There's
This
an
week?
accident
It
today.
was last week.
No, the other night.
I think
That
there's-
was killed.
There was a child killed and one.
There was a child killed and there was an adult killed about the week before. On the motor, I think he might have been on a motorbike.
The wash tongs.
The ringer.
Tongs. Sit in your washing.
There's your light. And there's your bed. And your long johns. There's a wee plaque up here, a wee memorial plaque. This memorial is dedicated to those who died during the construction of the Silent Valley and Ben Crum reservoirs. And there's the names of the guys. How many was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 guys died on the Silent Valley project and 1 on the Ben Crum. 9 guys. And the sculptor here is a guy called Declan Grant. And he's done a great job. That's really well done. Well, these buildings here have been here since 1915 because there's a 1915 date on top of one of the doorways. So we're looking up to Silent Valley Reservoir, just behind that big stone square building, and then further behind it is Ben Crum Water Foundry, 1841. There's the exhibition centre in there. Visitor centre here. Former bungalow built in 1933. Oh my goodness. And it's a wee bit dark. How the mountains were formed. Song of the Mournes. And these old photographs detail the construction of Silent Valley. There's a model of Watertown. Here's some of the valley workers. And the conditions must have been rough. There's the Binyon tunnel being cut out. My goodness. Between 1947 and 51, a workforce of over 150 men drove a tunnel nearly 4 kilometres, 2.5 miles long underneath Silent Binyon in the Mourne Mountains. The purpose of the tunnel was to carry water from the Annalong Valley to the top of the Silent Valley Reservoir, which had been completed just 20 years earlier. And this is details about some of the main valley workers. And this is the accommodation. There's a hot water bottle, and this is the recreation for the boys. Darts and cards. And this is the interaction here.
At that time, the centre of the tunnel was taken from chains hanging from the roof. They knew which one to have.
So there were chains hanging from the roof to guide the boys about.
And they sent them on the tunnel face with a candle. But there were candles lit in the other tube. And they shouted at them.
Wages. A typical wage for a reservoir stone layer was 2 and 6 per yard, approximately £7 per week. That was hard work.
And then they came along with a tape or rulers, if you wanted to call it.
And there's your soda bread. And there's your big kettle. Teapot. Anybody found or fond of a drink at night had a choice of either a licensed canteen in the valley where a bottle of stout cost 2p or cycle to Kilkeel and paying around 6p in any one of a number of 4 pubs.
And then you had to wait till it was maybe an hour for smoke clearance.
Engineers reports on the Silent Valley. Total cost $1,350,000. They used jackknife to blast it. Here's a stone mason working away by hand. And this just shows you how low the water level is. The water on occasions pours over this circular stone structure. It's an overflow. And look where the water is. And how much of the, for want of a better word, coastline is exposed. And you can walk on round this up to Ben Crum Reservoir on round the corner here, as far as I remember.
Into the rock and the bricks.
It's like a giant plug hole where the overflow water goes and
Wherever it comes out.
probably goes in behind the wall, comes out somewhere there. Right, this is the overflow valve house built in 1923. And I think that this is the overflow out of the main reservoir. Kids are playing there.